Hello, welcome to By Excellence Tutorials. And this video, I want to show you how quickly you can be able to learn differentiation in calculus. All right, so let's say you have a function. Now, the function that you're going to have will be in this form. Y is equal to ax to the power n. All right, so we have y function over x, and this is a constant, a is a constant, and the x is a variable here, and the n is an index here. So now when you're differentiating this function, the easiest way you have, you know that with say change in y with respect to change in x, some they say dy dx is equal to, one thing that you have to do is to drop this power. So you have your a here and you drop the index, which is n, all right? And then you have x, and then you subtract 1 from your index. So it will be n minus 1. The moment you do that, you would have differentiated a function. An example. You say you have y is equal to 2x to the power 4. So, according to what we have defined here, change in y with respect to x is equal to 2. We drop down the 4, which is the power, and then we have x, then we say 4 minus 1. So, this is going to be 2 times 4 is 8, and then we have x, 4 minus 1 is 3. Then you have differentiated. Simple. That is how you differentiate a function. Thank you.